For too long, professionals have been stuck with underpowered, unreliable throwaway sealant guns. Poor design, weak materials, mass-produced, zero endurance, mechanisms misaligning, breaking, and a growing environmental cost. Enough is enough. Introducing the all-new CT1 Caulk and Sealant Gun. Precision built for the modern tradesperson. Built to perform. Built to last. Built with purpose. Developed through precision engineering, CT1 delivers the perfect balance between torque, weight and plunger force. Made in Britain with premium grade steel, renowned for strength and durability, the CT1 gun is forged to outlast and outperform. CT1 isn't just powerful, it's perfectly optimized. With a balanced 18:1 ratio delivering 3.5 kN. It's strong enough for dense materials without excessive trigger pulls. Unlike high ratio guns that pulse and stutter, the CT1 gives smooth, constant beads, with less effort, more control and cleaner results. Tested against the rest, CT1 dominated. Where other guns wear out under pressure, CT1 just hits its stride. Over 12,685 cycles without failure. That's not just endurance, that's perfection. Fewer replacements mean less waste. From the creators of CT1. Premium grade steel, precision engineering, made in Britain, 360-degree rotating frame, ultra smooth flow action, designed for trades, built to last. CT1's revolutionary caulk and sealant gun. Precision meets power. Built to eliminate the snag list and everything else.